Yo, why'd that take so long to autofocus? Okay, we're go. Let's go, everybody. We're back at it again with a brand new unboxing video. As you can see, we got a few packages behind me. We got a couple Nike sneakers cops and then 2 Supreme cops I did get on restocks. I did not make a live cop for any of these packages. I just got 2 Nike sneakers, the 2 Denham collaborations of the Air Maxes that I did managed to get a W on. I got both of them. I'm happy I got that. The resells are looking good right now, but they're only going to go up from here. I'll post a couple screenshots in the video right here and the other one right there of the resale examples there. Anyways, I'm going to get right on into the unboxing here. And then first package, this one feels like it is the crew neck. You'll see once I pull it out. We have the Yohei Yamamoto crew neck. I did get this on a restock, extra large in the orange colorway here. Looks like they did send me another sticker pack right there. So here we go. Yohei Yamamoto Supreme extra large. Just a printed graphic on the front there. Nothing too special. Let me see if I can get a picture of the tag. See what the tags look like. This was already ripped. I did not do that, I swear. I'm probably not gonna unds this because I'm probably gonna end up selling this. Unfortunately for you guys, this was not for the personal. So I'm gonna actually skip this. I'm gonna save this for last because I'm gonna actually open this and show you guys this because this is the canvas backpack. I did get this on the restock. All right. Let me just get my scissors real quick. All right, this is gonna be the first of 2 Air Maxes that I did get. I forgot which one it was, but this was gonna be the recent drop of the Air Max and Denham collaboration, I believe it was, or something like that. Let me just get this open real quick. So this is actually an interesting box. There's nothing, this is just a plain old box basically. There's a hole right here. There's just the tag right there, as you can see. Which one is this? I didn't even see. This one's the Air Max 90 Denham. Let's get this open up real quick. Here's the Air Max 90 Denham. Oh, this is actually like fabric, not like the paper like usually Nike does. Oh, they're in individual bags here. Wow, okay. So let me get this out real quick to show ya. I guess this is technically unds-ing them, but I could just put it right back into it. Ooh, these are actually really nice in person. I didn't know how they were from looking at the pictures, but here we go. Here is the Air Max 90 Denham. This is kind of like a cream natural colorway right there. Don't focus on me, to focus on this. Very nice and soft, high quality denim here. I'll show you the bottom. I did get this both in my size, so if I decide to keep one of them, I can, and resell the other. I could probably make both my money back in just selling one of them. But here's the side again. I'll show you the inside tag there, and then we do have the bottom with the scissors and all that, their logos, as you can see. I'm gonna put it right back into this bag here, because if anything, I'm probably gonna resell this one because this one was the cheaper one, and it's reselling. They're probably reselling around the same price as the other Air Maxes that I did get. And from what I heard, these were pretty limited, so that's why they're reselling quite a bit. Now let's get these bad boys open here. Shoebox, I'm guessing, is going to be the same as this one. Yep, with the cutout Nike logo. The cutout Nike logo right there. There's the tag. All right, Air Max 95s. Let me get one of them out of the bag real quick for you guys. Here's the bag up close just in case if you guys wanted to see. Comes with this nice drawstring. So if any of them, this one would be the one that I'd probably keep just because it is fire. Ooh, this one is actually pretty fire. What does it say on the bottom here? The truth is in the details. Wow, okay. Oh, and it has writing all on the inside here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the heel, I don't really know what it reads. It says Denham, the Jean Maker. This is a very nice high quality shoe. Let me give you guys a nice look of it real quick. Has a nice natural creme de la creme right there. Oh, this back here is more of like a suede type of material instead of the rest of it, which is all like denim, different types of denim. Each one of these different colors is like a different type of denim right here. I don't know if you guys can tell with that, but every single one of those is a different type of denim. I don't know if I like this honestly too much to keep it. I'm probably just gonna resell both of them, but I'm gonna probably hold them for maybe a month or two to see if they can climb a little bit higher. But right now people are undercutting, so the prices aren't really that great. Hopefully these will rise into a price that I will like. So let's get right to the next package. All right, let's get to unboxing the I would say probably the most hyped item last week. In last week's Supreme drop. This is the canvas backpack in black colorway. Looks like they just sent me 2 box logos with this, nothing special. Here we are, the canvas backpack. I will carefully unds this so I can show you guys a little bit closer. Uh-oh. Don't rip on me. Okay. I'm gonna take it out here. This is basically just like one of those Jameson or whatever they're called, basic backpacks with the front pocket. These are kind of like leathery freaking zipper tags here. The only thing I don't like about this bag, it's kind of hard to unzip. You have to unflap this area here. But on the inside, it's basically, there's nothing in it, just one big open pouch. Out here on the right side, down here, it will have the Supreme, whatchamacallit, made in Vietnam tag, just so you guys know, if you're wondering, for legit checks and shit like that. But then on the front here, we have just a regular pouch here, I believe. I'm trying to find the zipper. I don't even know where it is. Oh, here it is. Yep, nothing inside that. There's just that pouch there. I can tell this is pretty high quality material they use though. It's pretty tough material. Probably take this to like raves and stuff like that. But I can see why this is a pretty hyped bag, because it is pretty useful and it's just a pretty basic colorway. It does have the tag right here on the left. No, this is the right, actually the right arm strap here, the tag there. But it's pretty a small bag compared to the week 1 bag. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. All right, so I have the week 1 bag, and then as you can see, it is much smaller than this one. I'm probably going to be keeping this one going bag, to be honest. I do like it a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a pretty basic bag. I'm going to be holding it for a little bit to see, and then eventually selling it. I'm going to very carefully zip this back up so I don't mess it up. That's zipped up, nice. Then I'll put it back into that plastic in just a bit. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this short unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like if you did. Let me know in the comments below what you got in week 5, I believe that was, with the backpack. Anyways, but definitely subscribe for more Supreme content like this. That would be much, much appreciated. Help me grow a lot in the future. And as always, guys, much love. Peace.